What's up, homestead homies, and good morning to you. Good day, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, wherever in the world, and whatever time it is. Getting my boots on right now because it's finally, the weather's broke a little bit. We only have 2 days or so. We're supposed to get back into the 40s, more rain on the way. So we have to get done what we can right now. So you guys have seen probably in previous videos, I've been working on the greenhouse, got that just about buttoned up so we can start our seeds, which we're going to be doing here shortly. And today in this video, as a matter of fact, Stacy's outside right now hanging clothes on the line. There was a couple of big, our patchwork quilt and another quilt that she wanted to air out. So we have those on the line, airing out, and now we're going to be in the garden today. So this video is probably going to be all about the garden, and then we're probably going to show you what we're having for dinner. So let's get this video started.
Well, I guess some of you guys saw the video yesterday where Doug found our cat Chia, our black cat Chia, decided to have her babies in the doghouse. Well, I took them back 3 times and then she has seemed to bring them back every single time. So I'm going to attempt to take them back to the barn and see what happens. Yeah. One more. There they are. Black cats have black babies. Wait a minute. Yes, there's babies in there. Come on, Mama. You ready? Try it again.
So yeah, how about that? Stacy's been moving the cats 3 different times already, and the cats keep showing up. And neighbor's tractor, and she brings them right back to the doghouse. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm letting the sheep out because we have a lot of nice green grass around our house, and that way I don't have to break out the lawnmower anytime soon. And then hip, 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 hip. And then that way they can kind of keep the grass down around the house and get some more nutrients, because the grass around here is a little greener, as you can tell. Now we're in the blackberries. We're getting ready to get in some of the back to Eden garden area kind of tightened up. You guys have probably seen this, where they use wire like this to hold up the blackberries. And I've always had the cattle panels, and I'll just tell you, I'm not a fan of this wire, just for a lot of reasons. So, I mean, everybody does things different. I mean, our way is not the only way. But we have had cattle panels in the past for the blackberries. Then I went to this wire, and now I'm going back to the cattle panels. So just make sure, it's always good to like try and then at least see how it goes, so you can know what works best for you. So now me and Stacy are going to pull up this wire, put in some cattle panels. We have 2 rows of blackberries here, and then we're going to get it all looking snappy. Shoot, looks like Stacy left me. Let's go see what she's doing.
I'm preparing. I'm getting ready for dinner, but what I've done is I made some barley, pearled barley. I let it soak overnight, and then I had some golden beets. And if you guys want a quick little note about golden beets, like if you always are the kind that do the red kind of beets, golden beets don't have that earthy taste quite as much, and they're a little bit more sweeter, I think I would say. So I'm making a recipe with the greens and everything, and stay tuned, it's going to be in my book, my recipe book. So, and then I'm getting ready to make some little pizzas for us and a salad for dinner. Cooking, that's all I like to do.
How about that? Stacy left me so she could go make some homemade pizza for dinner. So I better start driving in these T-posts so I can work up my appetite. Using that same wire that I just took off, so I'm recycling and reusing. But I think I hear dinner calling, so let's go inside and see how it turned out, and we'll have to catch up with you guys on this one on the next video. But let's go see what's for dinner.
Hey, are you ready to eat? I'm starving. We worked hard in the garden today, and I made this scrumptious meal. And a couple of these recipes will be in my cookbook, so stay tuned for that one. But if you guys didn't see, Doug made me, I'll link the video above, he made a really cool table for me in the greenhouse, and we're going to do a lot more videos on the greenhouse. So stay tuned for that. And exciting news, we have another design on our t-shirts. So we'll put all the links below down there, and those will be coming out really, really soon. But other than that, guys, we appreciate you watching. Thanks so very much. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and I will see you later. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.